Do got to make a little return. Got to return these bad boys. We'll take care of that after I look around. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video out in where am I? In Thousand Oaks. About to hit up the Nike Westlake. Let's go see what they got. All right, let's go see what they got. I'm curious to see what the new sale is, cause yeah, man. Yeah, the 30%'s all done. So yeah, let's go see what the new sales are. I saw Nike SB box right there, so I had to see what's up. There's some Blazers. They're Blazers. All right, let's go see what they. I don't think they have any sales right now. I don't think they do. So all this stuff right here, it is retail. They got some dope stuff, but it is retail. All right, so no more 30% off. That kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is, man. That's why you guys had to be out there. You guys had to be out and about. These are size 11. These are women's also. 9.5 go for retail. It's okay. Material's okay. It's not great. I'm just not a big fan of the hair stuff. Grade school of these. Oh, okay. Size 7. Grade school of those. Cherry 11s. Got some velvet bad boys right here. Okay, some mids. I don't know the price because they're not listed. I think the SCs are up to what, 135 now? Social status pennies. Size 11 right here. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Kind of a fan of these. Not too shabby. Okay. And we've seen plenty of ones. Some size 10 right there. And then, are these the Celtics ones? I don't know. Yeah, you got these right here. These are size 9. Then, haven't seen these too often. I think Chic has these. That's about it. Chic out in Culver City had these a while ago. What, a week ago when I went. But yeah, size 13. That's it. I don't know why the hell I'm messing with laces. Ambush. Some Ambush Air Forces. Okay. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well as on the YouTube Shorts, because I do try to post everything while I'm here. So I'm going to go ahead and post that in a couple minutes. Let's go see what's going on over here in the sale section. This is 40% off everything on sale. I'm always like, what did I miss out on? What did I miss out on, man? I guess we're starting out in the 9.5s. Got these for $1.50. We saw these at the clearance store for what, $80? I think it's still cheaper than the 40% off. You do get full box here. SB Shane's going for $85. Air Force One premiums, $1.30 for these. Some Trouts, they're going for $35. Wow, and 40% off. You need some baseball cleats. These are 10.5. Air Max 97s, Terra Skates 165 for these. Even if they're not heavily discounted, already 40% off, so not too shabby. $99 for the Metcon 7s. Size 11, 10.5. These are the Ugly Duckling. Yeah, Ugly Duckling. Air Max 1 premiums. Like, material's just ridiculous on these. Oh my goodness. I'm not a huge fan of the colors, but the material's just ridiculous. $140. And you get another 40 off. You do get a full box. That's my favorite part of coming to this outlet. Oh, not much in the bigger sizes. Terra Escape Air Max Plus going for $185. Size 12. Size 11. Got some Hirachis. I think it's MSRP though. Some Forces. SB Force 58s. Definitely look like skating shoes. $65 for the size 12. So got one in the size 8 up top. Not much for the big feet gang today. Size 14 go for $100. Infinity Run Flyknits go for $70. Now remember, you do get 40 off all these prices that I'm showing. $80 for these size 15. That's about it for the big feet gang. Got these in the size 9. Dang it, what the heck? Can I find a bigger one of these? They're going for $30. So 40% off. Oh, still cheap. What, $16? Something like that? $18. My bad. My math is way off right now. Vaporfly Next Percent. It's going for $229. That's a size 8 though. Bunch of Metcons go for 100. Nothing on the size 9. More Metcons 130. Those are the Metcon 8s. Got the, what is it, the Vapor Edge Speed 360. Go for 90. Find that better at the clearance store. 7.5. Air Max 90s going for 150. $50 for the Infinities. $50. What is that? Damn, dude, 40% off. Damn, that's what 20, $30. That's what, $30. Doom Freak 4 is 110. I think that's about it, yo. Time to check out the aisles. I was here a week ago, and I bet most of the stuff in the aisles is gonna be pretty similar. Let's check out the clothing, the clearance apparel, especially since it's 40% off. Let's see if we can find any steals. I saw a customer carrying around a Durant jersey, a Brooklyn Nets Durant jersey, an authentic. I was like, dang, I wonder how much that was going for. But yeah, well, let's see what else they got. This is what happens when you come late, man. It's like 1:40 right now. It's the latest I've ever came here. I swear, last 2 times. All right, got a t-shirt right here, large, going for 25. Remember this, 40% off everything. The Crater, I don't know, the Crater t-shirt, I guess. All the recycled stuff, $30 for these. Normally $75. This is a small. You pay $75 for a t-shirt. I don't know. $80 for these. This is a large right here. Hawaiian shirt. Dang, it's 40% off, but not really finding too many interesting shirts. $20 for this LeBron shirt. So that come out to $12 after the savings. Probably some steals and sweats right here. These are going for 50. These are medium. Is this Tech Fleece? This is a small. $90. Normally $120. Some gray. What are these? Cargo sweats. Got pockets on the bottom. $40 for those. That's a small. Color on this is interesting. Guarantee that's a large or XL. Oh, it's a medium? God dang, I'm short as hell. $45 for that. Nike Golf, got a couple of these. Going for $70. Normally $90. So $70 you to get that 40 off. Getting it for hella cheap. I think these are snowboarding pants. Nike SB. Going for $80 to $38. And normally $100. Got some sweats going for $35. These are double XL though. Got a few of those. I am trying to find something in apparel because it's freaking 40% off. Still got the Adonis Haslam jerseys going for $80. Those are Swingman. $25 for those. These are all smalls. Homegrown t-shirt. Another small going for $10. So $6 after the discount. Oh, ooh, what is this? Celtics jersey? Ooh. $120, 40 off of that. That's fire. All the jerseys I've seen, they are all Swingman jerseys. What are these? $16 for all these. These are all mediums. Dang. Way too bright though. This one's fire. $20 for this. It is stitched in right there. It does say Air Jordan. Does have stitching on the side. This is fire. This is fire. $20. So that's what, $12 for that t-shirt. That's a hella nice t-shirt for $12. Nike Dry Fit, size medium, over 25, normally 40. Hiking t-shirt, I think we saw this last week here. It's a large, $45. Holy crap. Fool's wearing, oh, it's not a Nike hiking. I thought it was the hiking dude. He's wearing Cortez right there. Not really much in the bigger sizes. XL right here. Nike t-shirt right here. Did I even say how much? XL going for $20. Not too many interesting things in the bigger sizes. Golden State long sleeve shirt. This is not a hoodie. Long sleeve t-shirt, long sleeve shirt going for $48. That's about it though. More of the clearance apparel. These are just t-shirts, but they're all $10, dude. Got a bunch of white t-shirts all going for $10. So after discount, they're what, $6 each? So not too shabby. Gray ones, $10. And then got black ones, $10. LeBron ones. Nike swooshes, old swooshes, new swooshes, all that stuff. Well, it only goes up to large. This one's a double XL. And got various color shirts right here. They don't have the craziest sizes though. Just small, medium, large it looks like. Couple of XLs. These colors, but yeah, all going for $10, dude. 10 freaking bucks, yep. All right, let's check out the aisles and then we'll check out the women's section as well. Air Max 2019s, 2090s, all white version right here. Got some Huaraches, Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits, the Moabs, Air Max 90s. Don't have too many of these. Alley-oops, SB alley-oops, that is. Air Max 97s. Did we see these here last time? Interesting print. This suede on the bottom, corduroy on those little panels right there. That's interesting. GTS 97s, mostly canvas. Some wannabe Stan Smiths, corduroy L2s, more Air Max 2090s. And the performance section right here, the running shoes. Look at this, Phantom React Flyknits. Damn. Pegasus 39 SEs. That's the cheapest price we've ever seen those. Wow, wow. Infinity React Flyknits. These are the third version. Another one of those. They do have a ton of running shoes. A lot of budget stuff. Nothing really worth showing y'all. They got training stuff over here, but just not much worth showing. Remember, I did tell you guys there's a wall up here, and sometimes they got stuff that's not in the aisles right here. I didn't see any of these in the aisle. These are fire, dude. These are dope. Definitely interesting. $185 for these Air Max 97s though. These Air Max 95s as well. Not in the aisles. Air Force Ones. This one is dope, dude. The material. Oh my god. Material is so nice on these. Holy crap. Got the gum bottom too. These are fire, dude. $140 for these. These are some Air Force One mids. Quality is super nice on those. That is a premium $140 for those. And I did see one of my viewers here. My bad, I forgot to get your name. I forgot to say what's up. Sorry. This is the women's section right here. 40% off the clearance. Size 11 Blazer platforms. Going for $90. Size 12 OGs right there. Going for $60. 11.5 Huaraches. Going for $110. 8.5. Got some Air Force Ones. That dragon fruit. $120 for that. Got a size 8 of those as well. 9.5. They got some Vomeros going for $100. 9. Got some Burrows go for $45. Air Force Ones. I don't know which one this is. Looks like a Chinese New Year or something, but I don't think it is. But yeah, $140 for those. Some Dunks. With some nice leather too. Size 5 though, size 3.5 youth. Okay. $120 for those. Size 7 with some Dunk High. Premium materials, just hella nice on these. Size 7, 5.5. Men's or youth. That's pretty much about it. All those are 6.5s and smaller. 5.5 right here. These will go for $80. 7.5, $160 for these. These are the Vaporfly Next Percents. 270 size 5.5, go for $140 right here. Remember, you do get 40% off everything here. So we do got some subscribers. Manny Senior, then Manny Junior. Did you guys find anything today?
No, nothing.
Nah, nothing today. Huh? But
early enough.
Look at Junior right there, man. Put on his Lost and Founds already. Looking fire, dude. That is dope. But definitely appreciate you guys supporting the channel. You guys have a message?
Subscribe.
Those are some good
Save your trips to the outlet.
Good subscribers. Appreciate it, you guys. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, thanks for saying what's up, man. I got to talk to them for quite some time. That was really dope. All right, let's go back. Shout out to the homie Ken who watches. All right, yeah, let's continue with the women's section. Do got some Huaraches here, interesting color. Do got some blazers in the women's section. All the big sizes, 10.5 to 12 left over. Dang, all this stuff going back to retail, kind of breaking my heart. Do got the Serena. Is this the Serena Williams, right? Serena Williams. Air Force Ones, definitely interesting. Is there laces underneath? Oh, no laces at all for these. Okay, okay. 5 all the way to size 12. 270s. Another one of those. And then I don't think any of this has changed, so we're just gonna go through this real quick. Talked about this last week. Air Force Ones. Jordan 1 Elevates. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. That's a hell of a good price. 120. Air Max 90s. These are still fire. Wow, that's hella cheap. Only 2 left. Size 6. That's it. I guess this 39s. Need to run Flyknits. This is the 3rd generation right here. Another one of those. Terra Kiger 8s. I guess this 38s. Another one of those. A whole line of Pegasus right here. 39s. The last one right here. All right, didn't see the craziest items, but did see some dope deals. Saw some dope deals, especially for apparel and stuff like that. Show you guys what I am wearing. Kobe 1 Protros. These are just fire. One of my favorite sneakers. This is the, what is this? The MLPS or MPLS. I'm sorry, MPLS colorway right here. And then it's warmed up, so I can wear some shorts. But still do got a hoodie. I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. Hopefully this isn't the shortest vlog ever. But yeah, I think we're good. I think we're done. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Nothing too crazy, not the craziest trip. They do have a heat wall, and they had some sneakers there that were pretty dope, but not on sale anymore. That's one thing I did want to talk about. When you see 30% off the entire store, or when you see a crazy sale like that, like, you really have to put a lot of effort into it. The resellers are going to be out there. The collectors that are big time collectors like me, we're going to be out there. So there's a lot of competition on finding the dopest things. The heck? She's saying it's on. What the fuck? All right, but yeah, there's a ton of stuff out there. I wasn't even in the street. What the hell? I don't know. But yeah, so there's a ton of competition. So you got to make sure you're out there. After the sales are done, like, everything goes back to regular price. So that's kind of why you gotta have a sense of urgency when there is a sale like that, and you gotta make your rounds. But yeah, kind of a mediocre trip, but it is what it is. That's kind of what happened. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you guys help our boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty more coming. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace. Oh my God, I totally forgot to do a return, and I already started driving. So, God dang it, dude. Does that happen to you guys? I think I'm getting old. Dang it. Vapor Max Flyknit. Next percent. Vapor Manny Jr. I'm sorry. Yeah.